To find the determinant of this matrix, here we have positive, negative, and positive, such that when we are working on this, we are having positive. So now let's first pick 1. When we are picking 1, we will have 1 into bracket 4 times 4 is 16, then minus negative 5 times 3, that will be negative 15. So this will be 16 plus 15. Then for the second one now, we have minus 3. Then let's take our bracket 0 times 4, that's 0. Then minus 2 times 3, that's 6. Now for the third one, we have 2. So this will be plus 2. Bracket 0 times negative 5, this will give 0. Then minus 2 times 4, this will give 8. Then we add them together. So 16 plus 15, that's 31. 31 times 1, that's 31. So we have 31. Then 0 minus 6, this is minus 6. So negative 6 times negative 3 will give plus 18. So this will be 0 minus 8, that's minus 8. Negative 8 times 2 will give negative 16. So this will be 31 plus 2, and the answer is 33. So D is the correct option. D is the correct option.